Y'all, I was telling Maria, I got a raise down at my job. Y'all, I started this new job, by the way. I got a raise down there. And ain't no need of me being tight this week, guys. This week it'll be full scoops for everybody.
Looks like we hooked up in something big this time. We might need to go get the claw, get him out. I got him close to the bank here, but I can't seem to get him up.
That little pig up there likes to start with the head always. Yeah, there's something there that's coming on and off. We're throwing a little crawfish and such at him today. Just try to see if we can land us something decent today. Stay with us and I'll let you guys know what all we have in store today. Thanks for watching. All right, guys, as I was saying, Maria and I, we're pounding this area pretty hard today. CJ and DJ and Hannah, of course, they're on the panfish and they're doing well. But we need to take this time to go ahead and send a birthday shout out to Big Bank Alfonso Hewlett. If you're watching this thing, man, happy birthday to you. I'd like to say a happy birthday to Coach Fern as well. We had some other videos, guys, where we sent out those birthday wishes where they were on time at that time, but since then, guys, we've had so much camera issues and so much computer issues, technical issues, so that we were not able to you know, send out our birthday request on time and such. So you guys forgive us for that. But happy birthday to Alfonso Hewlett, as well as Coach Fern, and happy birthday to you as well. We're gonna keep pitching this old crawl down here and see if we can get a reaction out of one of these fish here. So yes, Marquise, if you're watching this thing, the footage that we had of your 14,000 popsicle stick Wendy's replica is also lost as well. So maybe on the next one we'll get in and try to see if we can get some good footage of that as well. Somebody look at that. I caught a pair of trousers there. I don't know what size they are, but they still got the stains in them. And so if you recognize these stains in these trousers here, come get your trousers.
Can't catch nothing else? Might as well catch some medals.
They doing some magnet fishing and such. It's kind of a spillway area, guys. There's a lot of trash and such in the water, so we've been hooking up to quite a few things.
Hooked up.
Maria says she's hooked up. Let's see. Well,
we gotta get him back.
Right there.
Well, we found home. Toddler bite.
Well, how many miles do you think it's got on it, guy? The frame's still in good condition. We'll oil this thing up and they found him some cash for the car.
I thought I was bringing him up out of there. This right here, whatever it is real heavy.
Okay.
Well, we ain't got no claw, but we got Maria. And Maria, one thing about her, she gets after it. Let's get him up out of here. Whatever it is heavy. Whoa!
Huh?
I'm talking whoa.
Well, another bicycle, guy.
I'm talking whoa.
We're gonna get this guy loaded up and let's see if we can catch something else. What you think, man?
Yep. Stay tuned. Hooked up to something else. We've been running into a lot of bike stuff lately.
That thing just deteriorating, ain't it?
Yeah.
How much you think it's worth?
Well, not much, but we're gonna keep fishing.
If we find the rest of them, we might can build us a bike. Y'all, it's been a pretty productive day this far. I'm on the other side of the pond here. I was helping CJ, you know, get it baited back up. But Maria's on the other side over yonder ways, and she's throwing that magnet, and she's producing with that magnet. So we're gonna walk over and see what else she's caught. All right, so you guys have seen our 1975 bicycle there that the boys will be, you know, refurbing. We'll call it refurbing. We got to get a new chain put on and get it oiled up and such. And on this side here, you guys can see where we've drug all kind of metal stuff over near the bank here. Maria's found this, well, looks like a dolly. And I think we all can use an extra dolly in our life because if you was lazy like me, well, y'all, it must have had some green slime in the tires. It's tough. We might take that home and make it get after it. We don't know. So here we are. We made it back. Well, with our catch of the day. And these guys look like they say they're ready for it. So we're going to play an old classical game of either Blue 42 or Who Likes What. I don't know. But let's get some of these guys pitched in. Here's one. Oh, that's the one Maria said still kicking. Well, let me see. I guess he is still kind of kicking. Well, he ain't no more. They're gonna tear him apart. Well, let's get the rest passed out. Let's head on over these pigs. These pigs like them hand-sized. If they ain't hand-sized, they'll pass on them. I seen them do it. Let me get them in there. There's one. Well, let's see if we can slide another one in there on them. I'll open that door in a minute. Get you a better angle of this thing. Now, y'all, let's get up here and see which one this little piggy likes. Well, there's some hand size there. Oh, let's get some to the peacocks. Them guys over there say, when is it our turn? Huh? Let's take some brim over there, guys. Well, here comes some more. They like for them. They like to see them bluegills just come flying in there. Is what they like to see. Well, somebody better tell them fishing takes a little patience. Ooh. Oh, we're gonna get these guys fed. We're gonna bring y'all with us on a real quick. I'm talking about a New York minute fast feeding, and we're gonna wrap this thing up. So come on with me. Let me show you guys how we do. First thing we gotta do is get this old barrel top. Once we get this on, well, we're gonna take care of these goats and chickens first. And it looks a little something like that. And we hit them cows on the way out of there. And the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get on in here to the daffies. The daffy ducks, that is. Let's feed them guys. That'll be quite all right. Let's close that up. We're done with them. We hit those cows one more time on the way out here. I'm talking about, ooh. They see it coming. They see it coming. Well, let's get on to the chicken guys. Well, let's hit our old guineas. They say, I don't know what they said. You tell me and we'll both know. Let's get on. Oh, they come flying in here. Oh, she coming right up to y'all's living room. Here comes another. Let's get these guys fed up. We gotta let this feed trizzle on its way down. Well, let's get over here to these guys now. Ooh, there it is. Gotta hear the peacocks. Get some feed in here. Them little piglets making themselves at home. They say they'll try some of that. That smells kind of sweet, actually. Let's get that thing closed up here. Now we must feed the homestead on the other side, y'all. Well, let's get them little orphans. We got some orphans and such off in there. And well, y'all met old collard green one. She's still just as country. Ain't much change. But let's get some water for them guys. Maria's just got us some more feed, so we're gonna get back at it, y'all. I need to take this time to send a happy birthday shout out to Anthony Vanderbilt. Anthony Vanderbilt. You watching this thing, Anthony? Go Big Orange. And happy 21st birthday to you, man. We getting these things fed up, Anthony. Maybe Henry Hook will come out and throw that ball this weekend. Let's get, well, it's almost time for bacon. Get this guy fed up in here. Yeah, y'all looking good. Maria's didn't pick these buff orchids, some kale and spinach and such. That's how you keep that immune system up. Got to have good greens, got to. It'll be kale today, but we're gonna get back over here. Y'all, that old gander there about mean as a fire ant. I'll try him. And goes to hissing and stuff and gets the better of it. scares me a little bit. Whoa. Y'all don't act like y'all ain't never ran from no geese before. Y'all's been to the goldfish pond and feeding the goldfish and koi and such downtown and took off running from them old hissing geese. You been there. This one right here. This is the one I was referring to. The fence is over there and she's all the way over here with the baby goats. I know what a problem is. That's what I was just telling Maria. Her problem is, well, she think I won't sell her. Somebody better tell her. You guys seeing that, right? We're getting them all set up there. Let's give them a little more than that. They don't need me being tight this week. It don't ever stop, guys. It don't ever stop. I said we were just gonna feed the animals and that was gonna be it. But yeah, that's right. You guys seeing that, right? Old milk top as a washer. Guys, we don't waste anything. On that note, that's country enough. This thing don't need no closing. We'll catch you on the next one. Peace.